Addressing the virus issue, there's been an increased need for PPE that offers protection against viral exposure, and most employers and safety managers are already looking for cost-effective solutions to better protect their teams. Here at Ansell, we're working tirelessly to keep up with demand among our core customers' primary risks, while also capturing new demands for virus protection. We're utilizing our very own service platforms such as Ansell Guardian and Ansell Cares to support customers and educate end users on how to protect their workforce while keeping costs and overall waste down. Ansell has boosted its PPE offering to include viral protection and will continue to incorporate smart technologies to keep workers safe, especially in the post-COVID era. We've significantly increased our operation and supply capacities on critical PPE, including a dedicated range offering virus protection.